It's probably I think it's the first song I wrote for the new album. And I can see that so many of you know the words to new songs, which is amazing. So thanks for that. This song is called Explosions. You try like you see the ghost, and I gave it. I like the things you mean the most. You said, where have you been? You must know the sweetness to run and hide. I wonder why. I remind you of the days you poured your heart into, but you never tried. I fall for grace to go back to my face. I loved and I lost, I loved and I lost. Explosions on the day when you're needing somebody and give love. It's so good to be alone. of every